Today we're going to be making a replacement stand for our Blackstone. This is a really handy stand with the telescoping legs and fold up and everything. But it's not really what I want to have sitting on my deck. So we're going to make one out of oak that we did on our sawmill. I'm guessing it'll be made out of, the bottom will be oak and the top will be made out of poplar. This is a really handy little stand for camping or something like that, but it's not as sturdy as I wish it was, and it just doesn't fit with the rest of our stuff on the deck there. So we'll get this one folded up and out of the way, and we'll get the new one started. Our Blackstone is 22 inches wide, so if we do a, just for experimentation, let's do 16 inches there, plus 22, that'll get us 38. We can have another 16-inch shelf over here. That looks about perfect. We're making a new stand for the Blackstone. Remember the old stand when you would do smash burgers? You smash on it and it goes. We don't want that, right? We want a strong stand.
I don't want smash burgers.
You don't want smash burgers?
I'm just gonna
You poor feller.
And applesauce.
Usually you like smash burgers, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like them. I like them.
Okay.
I don't need them.
You just don't want to eat none tonight.
Mom said.
Did you have too much salt today?
Does hamburger have salt?
Not unless you add salt.
Well, do you have?
We don't have to add salt.
What?
We don't have to add salt.
So.
Should we just have no salt in the hamburgers?
Yeah.
Okay, we can do that. Okay, so here's our side pieces.
Whoa, that's a nice piece.
Yep, and here's our legs. Should we have the legs straight? Should we have them angled?
Angled.
I think straight would be just as good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's cut the legs.
Daddy, can I brush them off?
Brush what off?
These.
Sure.
Where's that little brusher?
I'll get it.
Can I see it?
I'll get it.
Yeah, I know, but I see it. Not that one.
Try that one.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see that. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's more fun than being inside anyway. That sounds good.
You should taste it.
I will. Okay, here's our legs.
Brushing off.
Okay, you won't. Sorry, buddy.
Oh, I didn't.
You okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. There's our legs. We'll put them on our.
You put nothing on me.
I won't put nothing on you. You're just fine, buddy.
See, I told you.
I know.
You can put.
I was being funny.
No, sleep off. Oh, it's
Good.
No, I'm not. Daddy,
Yeah.
can you ask Mom if I can go to a house?
What if she's not home?
Can you ask if she is?
We'll see.
Now.
We'll see.
I'm good and tell her.
But you got to help me build this thing. Yeah. Who would help me build it?
I could.
Who would help me if you didn't help me?
I could.
Okay.
If I'm not sick.
Step aside a little bit.
I feel a little bit sick.
You feel a little bit sick?
Yeah, I still feel a little bit sick.
Oh no.
I still feel.
Which is the pretty side?
That,
The pretty side?
yes, that's a nice place.
Okay.
I can shave this off.
Well, that's okay.
Could I?
No, not right now.
Hey, glue.
Yeah.
What do you have out in here?
I don't know.
On the.
I bet you because a little boy brought it out here.
Like here.
Does it look straight?
Let's get this out. Yeah. That now looks straight.
Oh yeah.
Those look straight.
Now we need to bring this like this,
Wow.
this way.
That's a nice board.
Oh yeah.
It's a shiny
We
board.
need to take this one. Let's turn it this way.
I got.
Let's turn it this way.
I got. Here it is. What are you doing? Here it is,
Building a,
Daddy.
building a stand for the Blackstone.
Your accent's right there.
He knows where the Blackstone is. I see. You should see if you put it back together. That would be really smart.
Daddy, look.
Okay, we'll set this
I'm
aside.
in now.
Okay, we'll need it. We will need it. Don't you worry,
I got
buddy.
two sprays.
Let's bring one of these big old legs down here.
That one.
You got a screw for me, buddy?
Daddy, did you see? Yeah.
That's the motor. That's the inside of the motor.
I don't know. I still don't know how it works.
I can tell you.
No.
There's brushes around that thing. That's coiled up wire. A whole bunch of coiled up wire.
Yeah.
And when it puts power on the wire,
Mm-hmm.
it makes it spin.
What spin?
That spins. That's the part of the motor that spins.
I know why it spin.
Because of the magnetic forces of the electric in the wire. You'll learn about it at school. I know. Electricity don't make sense.
That's all.
Electricity don't make sense. It just shocks you. It's shocking.
What is it?
Electricity is shocking.
I know.
One more screw, buddy, after this?
Yep.
Okay.
No more.
No more screws.
No.
I need one more. Oh, no. Where'd it go? Here it is. I got it. Okay, should we set this up? Screw these on? Who wrote on there? Did you write on there, Tyler?
Yeah.
Why?
No.
I don't know either. Which end should we do first, Grayson? That end or this end? Which end should we do first? That end?
Where I am.
Okay.
Show me my feet.
Yeah, you have to move your feet. You have to pull this all the way to the end. Got that one in. Now let's take it like this. I'll just spin it around. This. Kind of go around you there. There. And we'll put this one on. Sure.
What's against enemy?
You're fine.
Let's take it down.
You will get down? You can get down. No problem.
I'm gonna see about the sawdust.
Okay.
Put this in.
Careful now. Cut our top of our leg with an angle on it.
What?
So we can set it in here, and it'll give our legs a bit of a set. It'll make our table more sturdy. It is. Straight line across here. Mm-hmm. I can? Well, right now I'm trying to get this done so we can have supper. Are you hungry?
No.
No.
These look nice.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And here's our finished product. Drilled a hole in it here for the gas hose to come up through. With our tank underneath. And the Blackstone sitting on top has a nice space on each end to set your bowls or plates, whatever you're putting your food on. And we made smash burgers last night, and it held up very well. Didn't bend at all. We were smashing our burgers. Here the next couple days we'll try to get a coat of stain on it and make it look a little prettier. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoy the video.